Are your wide leg pants dragging on the floor? Let me show you the quick, easy, and professional way to shorten them. When taking the measurement, pull the extra fabric inward so you can clearly see the final length before marking it. Before removing the pins, carefully transfer the new measurement onto the fabric using tailor's chalk. Place both pant legs together, making sure they are perfectly aligned, then carefully mark the new length with tailor's chalk. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future alteration tutorials. Carefully open the original hem stitching. Use a seam ripper or any other tool you're comfortable with to carefully remove the original stitching. Leave 1½ inch seam allowance. Then cut off the excess fabric. Now that the cut is complete, let's move on to the overlock machine. Then finish the raw edge with an overlock machine for a clean, professional finish. After finishing the raw edge with the overlock machine, we're ready for the blind stitch. Begin the blind stitch at the center crease and continue by following the center seam on both sides. Make sure the center crease and the center seam stay perfectly aligned, with all the seams matching on both sides. That's the secret to a perfect blind stitch. Keep everything perfectly aligned, and you'll achieve a clean, professional finish. The sewing is done. Let's move on to the pressing. Now we'll give it a good press for a clean, professional finish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more professional alteration tutorials.